The mission of
North County Health Services is
to improve the health status
of our diverse communities
by providing
quality health care
that is comprehensive, affordable,
and culturally sensitive.
North County Health Services has been providing quality health care to help those in need for more than 4 decades. The success of NCHS didn't happen overnight. In fact, a talented group of individuals who recognized a need to help the community began building the foundation of what has become an organization of more than 500 employees. Back in 1971, gas prices were less than 40 cents a gallon. However, many North County residents who needed affordable health care simply didn't have the means to travel long distances.
In North San Diego County here, there was very little access to any kind of health care.
By far, number one issue in the community was health care, or lack of health care and access of health care.
A demand for localized health care services was the idea behind creating clinics for the people.
One of the critical differences between North County Health Services and all the clinics was the connection that we were able to establish to this wonderful woman, Faustina Solis, through UCSD School of Community Medicine.
And Faustina came by and said, wow, you guys are doing something, but we can really expand on this.
Backed by UCSD Medical School, organizers began to formulate a plan to reach the people who needed care. These were the driving forces behind the mobile RV clinic in the early days of North County Health Services.
So we got a large motorhome through the University of California through this ROP program, and we converted it, Victor and I and a friend of his, and spent many weekends building a clinic into it. That was our basic services as we began. It was only a few days a week, but we had a big response.
With the help of volunteer care providers from local practitioners and nearby Camp Pendleton, the needs of many patients were met. But demand was growing, and by the mid-1970s, behind Dorothy Reno, the first executive director, North County Health Services was discovering new ways to offer comprehensive health care to the community.
the contributions of what I call the founders are immense. The initial founders, without the significant leadership of key people that played a role in North County, we would not be where we are today.
Hello, how are you?
Creating a culture where patients were getting quality health services from professionals who wanted to stay and work in the clinics was a top priority. Dr. Sylvia Mitchick, who is now retired and living with Parkinson's disease, helped to build a strong foundation of professionals.
If you have competent medical staff and you provide quality care, you're going to grow because the need is so strong.
Dr. Mitchick was a great role model for me and continues to inspire me in her commitment and her love for her patients. She was a very hard worker for NCHS, and she believed in me, she encouraged me, and she's stuck behind me.
As the years have passed, NCHS has become a fixture in the lives of many families.
During that 40 years, we've had the opportunity to provide care to generations of families. We've had moms and dads that have come in themselves, they brought their kids, and now even some of those kids have brought their own kids.
I just can't speak highly enough about them. They've been there pretty much my whole life since I was born. And now I'm 22, and when I come back, I still go to the clinic and get a physical, get blood tests, make sure I'm healthy, because they've always been there for us.
NCHS has really inspired me and pushed me to want to go into the medical field just because they treat people so well. I'd like to give back to the community and other people as well, just like they've been helping out so many patients.
It gives you a huge amount of security knowing that there's a team of people that care about you and your family, and they want you to be healthy.
Responding to the need to provide health services to low-income patients continues to underlie the mission of NCHS.
They were very humble people, the patients primarily, and they were very grateful for the care that they got. So that was a real positive sign that something good could happen.
Today, NCHS has grown to 11 health centers serving medical and dental patients in 5 cities covering North County. Working together to achieve a level of trust, NCHS employees are members of the local communities and care about their neighbors on a daily basis.
He's always right there and making sure I know everything that he's doing and, you know, any questions that I have, and he's good. I trust him with the baby.
I'm honored to be in this position. I was just telling my wife this the other day. I'm honored to be a pediatrician, to be able to take care of these kids. I mean, it's the best job in the world.
By helping those in need of quality, affordable health services, North County Health Services has grown.
Historically, if you looked at our organization, we have had to change in a positive way from how this company originally started. And we continued to change and evolve to meet the needs of the patients that we serve.
The fact that we've been able to not only provide care, we've been able to provide exceptional care over that 40 years. And each year we get better. We provide more services, we open up more health centers, we're able to do more for our patients, and it's really a great thing, and it's a great movement to be a part of.
I'm bound to thank you for it. La, la, la.